Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 11th. My dinosaur kale is starting to seed. A lot of it you can see. Some of it is still growing, but I'm sure it's not going to be far behind. We can see that quite a bit of it is setting up seed tops. And this is not really a bad thing. I mean, it's just part of the life cycle. I know whenever you your kale starts to do this, you might be disappointed because you're not going to be able to harvest. I mean, I can harvest all these leaves, in which I will here in the next couple days. But I just wanted to show this. I also have some collards over here, and you can see it's doing the same way. And this is going to be kind of part of a series. I'll keep you informed on watching this, and so you'll realize what's going on whenever you start seeing. And as you can see, this one's starting to change on the tops. This one here is just beginning. You don't see the flower buds yet, but this will grow up and it'll put on seed pods. And then once it blooms, once the seed pods get fully developed, we'll harvest these just like we did with our mustard seeds in a prior video. But pretty much all of these are fixing to do it. You can see the small buds start to come up in there, and a lot of this is from that hard freeze that we had. Now we have some others that's over there by the greenhouse door. You can see how much taller it is because it's doing the same thing. And like I say, this is not anything to be concerned with. If you have enough garden space to let them go to seed, so you can save your seeds, and that way you won't have to buy them if they're open pollinators or heirloom type. And this dinosaur kale is. Now the only one thing you need to be concerned about is if you have other brassicas going to seed at the same time. Over here by this dinosaur kale, which this is the same variety as the other, so we don't have to worry about them intermixing. But I have a bunch of radishes going to seed now. I'm going to pull these out. I don't want to collect seeds from these. It's not a variety that's harder to get a hold of, so I'll pull all these out. But when you have other brassicas that are going to seed, say you have like maybe some Brussels sprouts, or you have some cabbage or something like that going to seed at the same time, these plants can cross-pollinate. So when you have a situation like that, you need to decide which one you're going to save. And for me right now, I'm going to save my dinosaur kale seed. But I hope this little short video is helpful and encourage you to understand a little bit or do a little more research on gardening, so you understand the gardening process better. And like I say, we'll keep you up to date on this, and give you the full education on saving seeds from these. If you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up, and share it. Both of those help my channel. And if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. Happy gardening.